Hi everyone, I'm back and this is another reaction. We'll be reacting to BTS Come Back Home song. This is my first time to listen to their songs. I know them but I don't listen to their songs because I think they are not that famous. But when I saw them in Ellen DeGeneres show, then I conclude that they are famous all over the world. So without further ado, let's watch the video.
Angry, hungry, yes I'm hungry. 매일이 되뿌리, 미래 개뿌리. 나는 없었어, 그리고 또 내게조차 없었어. 아직 우린 젊기에 괜찮은 미래가 있기에. 자 이제 그 차가운 눈물을 닦고 Come back home. 그 시간을 허비해. 내 피땀들은 정직해. 자 이제 그 트로피에 내 이름 바꿔 Come back home. You must come back home. 떠나간 맘보다 따뜻한 You must come back home. 겹치는 인생 속에 You must come back home. 떠나간 맘보다 따뜻한 You must come back home. 나를 완성하겠어. Come back to my home. Come back home. Come back to my home. Come back home. 겹치는 인생 속에 영광 어머니가 또 내 식구들의 배 터지게 부풀려 두려 계속 열리래 친구들 걱정도 driving 우리들 앞길을 원해 사는 분들 바라면 we still going up 난 더 많은 것을 원해 아직 우린 젊기에 괜찮은 미래가 있기에 자 이제 그 차가운 눈물을 닦고 Come back home. 그 시간을 허비해 내 피땀들은 정직해 자 이제 그 트로피에 내 이름 바꿔 Come back home. You must come back home. 떠나간 맘보다 따뜻한 You must come back home. 겹치는 인생 속에 You must come back home. 떠나간 맘보다 따뜻한 You must come back home. 나를 완성하겠어. You must come back. You must come back. You must come back home. Oh, you must come back. You must come back. You must come back home. 'Cause I'm coming back home. You must come back home. 떠나간 맘보다 따뜻한 You must come back home. 겹치는 인생 속에 You must come back home. 떠나간 맘보다 따뜻한 You must come back home. 나를 완성하겠어. Come back to my home. Come back home. Come back to my home. Come back home. 겹치는 인생 속에 Come back to my home. Come back home. Come back home. Come back to my home. Come back home. 나를 완성하겠어.
Alright. The song is upbeat and danceable, so I like it. But I am not yet a fan. Maybe because they are all male group. I'm not yet a fan. Aside that they are so young. And the video I watched has the lyrics on it, so I kinda understand the lyrics some. but I really don't know if the message is that good. But the beat is very perfect. I like the beat. It's, you know, if you don't know how to dance, maybe you'll learn how to dance because the beat is so catchy, and not only the beat. I know some boy band group in Korea such as Super Junior and 2PM. I like the way they perform, but this group is, I think they are youngsters, maybe around 19 below. But the music, the art they made is very good. Anyways, BTS is very viral all over the world, the country, especially in the Philippines. And even Philippine celebrities love them. And that's it. If you have any other songs of BTS you want me to react, just drop a comment down below. And don't forget to like and smash the subscribe button. Bye!